At Steel Fab, we are showcasing a curated selection of heavy-duty CNC Turning Center LT40-3000LM and high-performance vertical machining center 1690V, solutions that reflect real industrial needs. These machines are chosen because they resonate directly with the fabrication, energy, aerospace, and heavy engineering sectors, key drivers of industrial investments in the Middle East region. Each product on display is relevant because it balances precision, uptime, and cost efficiency, attributing to the regional customers' value. Productivity, robustness, and operating efficiency are at the heart of industrial success here, and that's exactly what our machines deliver. Our solutions are designed for high material removal rates, long duration operations, and heavy workloads. We don't believe in one size fits all approach. Our product portfolio is continually refined based on direct customer feedback from the region. We also offer tailor-made operations and features such as automation modules, flexible tooling packages, enhanced service configuration, so customers get exactly what they need for their specific applications and they are more efficient. This level of customization ensures our customers achieve higher productivity with faster return on investment. When we speak of automation and digital manufacturing, they are no longer optional. They are the core drivers of competitiveness in today's machine tool investments. Middle Eastern manufacturers are increasingly looking for solutions that support real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and seamless integration with production lines. Adopting digital manufacturing not only enhances efficiency but also companies build resilience, scalability, and agility in an increasingly competitive global landscape. Our latest machines incorporate energy-efficient drives, optimized power management systems, and low-waste machining strategies that help manufacturers reduce operational cost while meeting environmental goals. We warmly invite all to visit us at Hall 3, Stall 1510, where you can experience firsthand how our technologies are shaping the future of manufacturing.